This is day 2, raw vegan commitment. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna break my fast with a little nuts that I've already had actually before recording. And I'm also going to make a smoothie, a banana cherry cocoa smoothie with some superfoods in there. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm starting with my cherry banana cocoa shake. To the water I added 4 frozen cherries. They were actually quite big. A whole frozen banana. I usually cut my bananas up in half, so I just took 2 of my little cellophane wrapped bananas. I added a squeeze of lime, and that gave it a really, really nice taste, guys. You don't have to do that. That's completely optional. About a half a scoop of cocoa, and then I added some of my organic greens. Now, just to take up the sweetness a little bit, I added a little bit of coconut sugar, not too much. I didn't even fill up the whole scoop, and then some flaxseed meal so I can get some good omega-3, some good fats in my smoothie. And when I was blending it, I noticed it was a little thin, so I just added ice. Okay, guys, so here it is, and it's nice, it's thick, well, the consistency that I like. That's it, so I'm gonna enjoy. I'll see you guys at lunch. I'm back. It is really late, and I really shouldn't be eating anything. This was not a great eating day for me. I guess I just wasn't feeling it. I'm gonna be honest. I did have my smoothie this morning, and it was delicious. I had my handful of nuts, and tonight I'm gonna make a kale salad with some bell pepper, some red, yellow, green bell pepper, onion, and a homemade cashew nut dressing. Actually, it's a ranch dressing, vegan ranch dressing, raw. So that's gonna be my nighttime meal, if you will, and I'm gonna call it a night. Tomorrow I'm gonna execute a lot better, so day 3 should be much better than today, and I can get all the nutrition that I need in, just to make sure that I'm getting the nutrients that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start off by giving a rough chop to the kale, and actually just all the vegetables that I put into the salad. It does not have to be perfect. That's the reason why you make salads like this. It does not have to be precise at all, guys. So just give everything a rough chop and just throw it in the bowl. So in hindsight, guys, I probably should have used the lemon juice because of the acid in it. That would help break down the leaves a little bit better. So guys, I went ahead and already made my avocado kimchi. I'm going to put the link in the description box below so that you know how to make it. So while the salad is resting, I went ahead and got started with my vegan ranch dressing. And I'm going to put all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. So since you're still watching, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your family and friends. And do not forget to ring that bell so you can get post notifications every time I drop a new video. So what the cashews told me was they were a little parched and to give them a drink of water. So I just added some water and look, got a nice little drizzle on it. Ooh, that's so pretty. And y'all, it tastes so good. Okay, so this salad right here, first of all, don't judge me. I already know, okay? It's late, but I needed to get this meal in. I needed to just get some more greens in. I have already tasted this, but I couldn't wait to sit down with a nice bowl of this salad. It is so good, guys. If you try this, 100% raw. That ranch dressing, that avocado and kimchi is hitting. Do you hear me? Hit in, okay? I personally haven't been a fan of kale salads. That's because kale is a hearty leaf, so you really have to kind of break it down with some of the acids that you use in your dressings, or the pre-dressing that I guess you can call it a pre-dressing that I made with the olive oil and what did I put on there? Well, you're gonna see in the video, but that's what helps break down the leaves. But I'm telling you, this is so freaking good. It is so good. One of the reasons why I like to juice kale is because sometimes I don't really know what to do with it, but I just said, hey, I kind of been doing my research, different ways to prepare kale, and I kind of just played with it myself. Put that avocado with kimchi on top of it, mixed with the ranch dressing. I only needed a little drizzle of that. Mix it all together, baby. Mother's Day is coming up. Where your mama? Because if you make this, you better stay away from your mama, because this gonna make you want to slap your mama. Did you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
It is so good. Before you get out of here, make sure you like, comment below, share this video, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like these, let me know, drop a comment. If you want to see something different, you know, hey, I love experimenting. This is like my little test kitchen. It's a mess right now. Gotta go clean up. But listen, guys, this is so good, so healthy, so nutritious. So many phytonutrients in this, so many antioxidants in this. I'm just appreciating being able to chew food again because I've been drinking my diet over the last 20 something days or whatever the case may be. So this is so, I just can't even. It's so good. Yeah. Try this. I'm not even talking about if you're not even vegan, you just want to know how to use different vegetables or whatever the case may be. Come up with your own thing, If you make it, go ahead and tag me on my Instagram. It's in all the information is in the description below. So this was really, really good, guys. I encourage you to try it. If it don't work out, you can't really mess up a salad, to be honest with you. Man, this is the bomb. I want to actually kind of watch some of the oils that I use outside of natural oils that are found in the vegetables, like avocado is a great source of like fatty acids. Flaxseed has really healthy fats in it. And so let's just say, after this 10 days of me committing to just be 100% raw, I'm going to be very mindful about the fats and oils that I use in cooking if I choose to cook. So I'm kind of missing quinoa right now. So that's kind of like my grain of choice. It's a really healthy grain that I sometimes pair with my salads and things of that nature. So just being very careful about anything I have to saute. I really want to be more conscientious of using either broths or water to saute my food instead of oils, because some of the foods that I really like are avocados, flaxseed, have oils in them, and nuts. So guys, this was so good. If you try it, don't forget to tag me. It's awesome. All right, take care. I'll see y'all next time. But before I forget, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.